explorers! Today we're gonna dive into the world of dinosaurs, the most fascinating creatures to have ever walked the Earth. You've probably played with toy dinosaurs, seen pictures of them on TV or the internet, and maybe even visited a museum and marveled at their gigantic bones. But have you ever wondered where they came from, how they got their names, or what happened to them? Let's take a look. Dinosaurs were a special group of reptiles that lived on Earth long before humans. They first appeared around 230 million years ago during a period called the Mesozoic Era, which is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes. Some were as small as chickens, while others were as tall as skyscrapers. There were plant-eating dinosaurs like the gentle Brachiosaurus, and fierce meat-eaters like the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. But here's something cool. Not all reptiles from the past were dinosaurs. Flying reptiles like Pteranodons and marine reptiles like Ichthyosaurus were not technically dinosaurs, even though they lived during the same time. Most dinosaur names come from Greek or Latin words that describe something special about them. For example, Tyrannosaurus rex means tyrant lizard king. Triceratops means three-horned face. Stegosaurus means roofed lizard. Paleontologists, the scientists who study fossils, often name new dinosaurs based on their unique features, where they were found, or even to honor someone special. So, how do paleontologists know so much about dinosaurs? Through fossils. Fossils are the preserved remains or impressions of ancient living things. When a dinosaur died millions of years ago, sometimes its bones got buried under mud and sand. Over time, the bones hardened and turned into stone. Paleontologists dig up these fossils using special tools like brushes and picks to make sure they don't damage them. It's like being a detective, uncovering clues to solve the mysteries of the past. Dinosaurs lived in many different environments, from lush forests to dry deserts. Some traveled in herds like the duck-billed Hadrosaurus, while others hunted alone like the sharp-clawed Allosaurus. The Earth back then looked a little different. All the continents were connected into one giant landmass called Pangaea, which later split apart into the continents we know today. Around 66 million years ago, something catastrophic happened that caused the dinosaurs to go extinct, meaning they all died out. But what caused this mass extinction? Scientists have several theories. Asteroid impact. A massive asteroid from space might have smashed into Earth, creating huge fires, blocking sunlight, and changing the climate. Volcanic eruptions. Enormous volcanic eruptions could have released gases and ash, causing the climate to cool and making it hard for dinosaurs to survive. Climate change. Over time, the Earth's climate may have shifted, making it difficult for many plants and animals to live. About 75% of all life on Earth disappeared, but some creatures survived, like sharks, birds, frogs, crocodiles, and cockroaches. Scientists believe that birds are the direct descendants of certain types of dinosaurs. So when you see a sparrow or a pigeon, you're actually looking at a modern-day dinosaur. Dinosaurs may be extinct, but they continue to spark our imaginations and teach us about the incredible history of our planet.